going to do stress testing, it's going to be down here. This is where you're going to stress test your model. And then what happens is as you move forward, then you move back up, and at the end of the project, you're hopefully in the black. And this is after paying everybody off. And so that, again, it's a very, very simple sort of structure of the operating cash flows. So hopefully at this point, now the reason we cross here is quite often in the last 5 years of the project, government says we don't trust that you've kept the building up. So you have to start in the last 5 years in building up a cash reserve. And you'll only get it released when we get the building back. Because if we have to do any work, it's coming out of that. I should mention that the Plenary Group won the best deal of the award, the best financial deal in the world for the Humber River, and I'll explain what they did. It was a kind of an ingenious bond financing. And Plenary is I think it's an Australian firm. I think Plenary is Australian. So this gives you the kind of logic. So you get the budget of direct investments. So you get the construction. If the government has to, I mean, we're looking at total cost. If the government has to purchase the land, they have to do it. We've got the owner's costs, the development costs. Here we've got any taxes on investments, capitalized interest, cost of guarantees, and so you get both direct and indirect. So, you know, as you get into this model, there's always questions of what goes in and what goes out. So just like in doing real estate, you have to do risk analysis of your capital structure. And so in construction, we've got construction, cost of raw materials, operating costs, sales revenue. They come into an operating cash flow. We've got debt service here, and then we have our debt service requirements. And so one of the things that you're having to do is design your capital structure in this model.